Welcome to Module 8, where the focus is on healthy aging and programs that target this population. Choose Your Lesson will be presented this week, but more on that in just a few minutes. Let me show you a few of the supplemental materials. Several supplemental videos target healthy aging programs like those on congregate feeding. And let me click on the blue zones. Do explore the links on Blue Zones of the world where centenarians have found the secret to healthy aging. I'm certain you will be delighted with what you learn here. Don't forget that worksheet 2 of the group WIC menu assignment is due on Saturday. Right here is that assignment link. You are tasked with investigating state and federal nutrition programs that the family in your case study may qualify for. And notice that only one team member needs to submit, and that's due again on Saturday. This is a big week. Your choice lesson topics will be presented virtually on Wednesday and Thursday evenings. Your lesson should be revised to incorporate feedback from us on your lesson, PowerPoint, and handout. Also remember that everyone is to attend both nights, as you will be using the lesson evaluation form listed right here in order to provide feedback to your peers. This should include comments, not just checking the boxes on that form. You get to put your critical thinking skills to work as you learn and assess your peers' presentations. This is yet another opportunity to learn from each other. Make note of presentation skills that work really well and those that are more problematic. We look forward to seeing you on Wednesday and Thursday evenings. Have a great week.